Today, I'll walk you through how to move your OneNote page list to the left, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to adjust your OneNote layout so you can navigate your notes more efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your OneNote desktop application. This is where all the magic happens and it should look familiar to you. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionality remains the same. Once you have the application open, navigate to the page where you want to make the adjustment. Now, look for the View tab in the menu at the top of your screen. This is where you'll find options to customize your workspace. Click on View. This will reveal several layout options. Next, you'll want to find and click on Tabs and Layout. This section allows you to modify how your tabs are displayed, giving you more control over your workspace. Now look for the option labeled Vertical Tabs. By clicking on this, you will shift your page list to the left side of the screen. This layout can make it easier to access your notes, similar to how a bookshelf organizes books for easy access. And there you have it. Your OneNote page list is now moved to the left, providing a more streamlined experience. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.